Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's Salesforce tutorial, we are going to learn in Salesforce how we can set login hours for an user or profile. Login hours allows administrator to control when user can log in to Salesforce. This is very useful for improving security and restriction access outside working hour. By the end of this video, you will learn what is login hours, why they are used, how to configuration login hours in Salesforce. These all things we covered in this tutorial. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So first we need to understand what is login hours in Salesforce. Login hours in Salesforce allows administrator to restrict the time period during which user can access Salesforce in that particular time. For example, user can log in only from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. They cannot log in late at night or early morning. This feature is commonly used for organizations where employees should access the system only during working hours. Now, I hope you understand what is login hours. So then how to set that? So first you need to click on gear icon. In gear icon, you need to select setup. In quick find box, search profiles. So just click on profiles. In profile window, you can see list of profiles. So you need to open the which profile you need to set the login hours. So currently I will set login hours for finance profile. So just click on finance. Open finance profile. In here you need to search login hours. Scroll below. In here you can see the login hours. Currently we don't have any login hours. You can specify the login hours by clicking on edit. So once I click on edit, I can get this window. In here, I have a login hours. So there is a description like select the days and hours that user with this profile allowed to log in. So we have a 7 days. So in here, for Sunday, we don't need to give the any login hours. So that's why I don't give anything. So for Monday, I will give 9 to 6. For Tuesday also, I will give 9 to 6. Same like I will give for all. For Saturday also, I don't give any login hours. So just click on save. So once it's saved, that login hours is set successfully. So how we can check? Just click on view users. I will currently log in as this user. So if I click on login, I will get error. Error like please check your username and password. If you still cannot log in, contact your Salesforce administrator. Even I enter the correct password, I am getting like this. So if I click on forget password, so I will give this one and click on continue. I am getting like one message. Currently, we cannot reset your password because you log in outside of approval Salesforce login hours. Like this, we get an error message. This ensures better security and control the system. It is a simple, powerful feature that helps control user access and improve the system security. I hope you understand these things. Thank you for watching.